What's up, guys? Welcome to the next video on C++. We started this series of learning C++, what C++ is. In the previous video, we explained that what happens inside our computer, what's happens inside under the hood, inside the system, how our main.cpp becomes object file, and it goes all the way and become executable file. All right, so in this video we are going to explore what comments about. We're going to see comments, because comments is one of the most important thing inside computer programming, especially C. So you guys working in the office and you guys go and explore someone else's code, and the guys didn't put any comments or anything, just start writing and blah 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 blah, and you guys at the end of the day scratching your head what it means, why they put this function here and why they put that function here, why they put how they've done this, implemented their interfaces and blah blah blah, you know. So, and it's very very confusing. It's especially some programs like decades old, or sometimes it goes to archive, which I'm going to explain to you guys how the C++ programs goes to archive, like say Microsoft, and it's very old operating systems, and most of their programs already in archive. So, and they want to dig deep and find some of these programs from archive, and they go and look at the code again, and they want to find sometime bug, or sometime they want to do for any other purposes, whatever their business. So, and the comments plays a crucial role. It's very important role. So when you put in every function comments, it means that you're explaining what this function is about, what these functions do, and why they put these functions there. So the comments is very very important. You guys must learn. This is the basic of C, and this is I think this is the basic of any language: PHP, C#, JavaScript, Java, you name it, Python. Everywhere you see the comments. Comments is everywhere. The program starts with comments, because this is int main. This is a very very basic template. That's what we there is no comments on top. But when you guys see the big projects, which I'm going to show you guys how to go and look for the big projects, you guys see these comments. All right, so the 2 / is a comment. Comment, my comment. As you guys can see, the color is, that one is not a colorful, it's like that color, and it's totally different from this. So that's one way of putting this comment. So you guys can see this is colorful, and if I put like this, it becomes like that, colorless. See, because this IDE is reading this as comment. This is all right. So I'm not gonna translate this, because I'm just gonna ignore this. This IDE, integrated development environment, this thing is editor is just ignoring this codes. So if anything, when it comes in bump up, because this IDE is reading, compiler is reading 1 2 3 4 line by line, when it comes and detects this, it means it's comment, so just ignores. All right, so we're putting this back. That's my comment. And if you guys, so this / is second comment. All right, so this is third comment. All right, so that this one is comment. We put this as comment, and but the problem is it becomes very very hard, it becomes pain in the neck if you put, let's say, 10 lines, this double thing, this double / for every line if you put it. So if you guys got more than one line, you guys do one / plus this star, and you guys do according to your line. Say if you guys 10 line, you just put a 10, put 2 underneath, put 2 on top, there you go. You can do like this. This is now, it becomes, the compiler is going to ignore this. It says that my comment starts from here. Still my comment. My comment ends. Alright, so we put this, we save this. Now we're going to run our CPP. So you guys see this one, it's not displaying anything inside this main. It's only explaining this, our whatever is in C out. So the hello world, welcome to our C++ project. So it ignoring all these our comments, because when the compiler comes and read these things, it just ignores. It knows that this is your comments, and it say, all right, we leave your comments behind. That's for yourself. We've got no business with your comments, and they just go and display our this hello world. This hello world, and welcome to my first CPP, whatever. So welcome to CPP project, plus we want to put this. This line is not comment, and we put a C out, we put a line, and then we save this, we run this. Alright, you guys can see that's hello world. This line is not comment, and displaying our line as well. Still ignoring these lines, because this compiler knows that this is that should ignore this line. So we copy this. I'm gonna close this. So I should go and so there is two ways of comments. You guys see the comments all the time. There's one way of putting double / like that, but you guys, it's useful if you guys go to 1 line or 2 line or 3 line. But if you guys like say go more than 10 line or 5 line or 8 lines, it is recommended that you guys do like this, so you guys can put as many lines as you want with just stars. Sometimes the comments is very crucial to some programming language like C, PHP, Symfony. I know you guys, this is CPP. It's got nothing to do with Symfony, but I'm going to show you guys anyway. Say you guys got this CPP in Symfony, and as you guys can see, I show you guys, if you can see inside here, see this is the route, and it's a post named post. This is inside the comment, but the compiler still reads these comments, still read this route. So if you guys do say you want to do your routing, you guys must put your inside your comments. For every function, it's got a comment. See, you guys can see this is a function request. It has a comment on top, and it's got a parameter and return a response. So it means everything's inside this comment box. Every function's got a comment. So that's how. So this, can you guys can see here, it's still got a route, and it's called, and everything is inside this comment. Everything. See this one, compiler is ignoring these things because it's got a we don't need it for some reason, or we want to use it later on, or for any other purpose. And there is another one. You guys can see every function inside here is inside the comment, every function. So we copy this, and we put it inside our, so that's all right. So as you guys seen, this is a common practice in computer programming, whether you're doing C++ or C or C sharp, or you doing Python or PHP, any other languages. This is a common. So every compiler in every language translate this as a comment, so it just ignores. It's very, very important, as I show you here. When you guys go further and learn PHP or JavaScript or Java, you guys will know that how important this comments is. With every function the comments comes in, and some IDEs, they got a automatic, this generates this comments for you, but because we are at C++ at the main skeleton, as main function of this, the basic function, that's what we don't see any comments. And we when we progress inside this our function, say if guys build another function inside your project, then another function, 10 functions, 12 functions, then you guys want to remind yourself that this project is connected to that project, you guys should put a comment all the time. So this is a very, very good practice that you guys do this comment.